Alright, y'all, well, I'm at Devil's Playground 2.0, and I tried to record an intro in here because they got a big speaker over there playing a bunch of shitty music, but I don't want to get demonetized. But I'm set up out here. I've got a bunch of tires to burn off, got some new kicks on the car, and we're gonna add a little more rubber to the back bumper. So the plan is donuts, daisies, and then those 205s. See how far we can get. Got the slicks. We're gonna do some drag racing, and then they have a mobile dyno out here too, and that's what I want to do first, is to get on the dyno and see what this thing makes. Naturally aspirated and with the 200 shot, so we'll find out here in a little bit. Alright, got the slicks on, getting some air in the tires for the dyno. Got the bottle pressure up. We're gonna give it an NA pull and a couple nitrous pulls. Give it one nitrous pull, throw another degree in, see what it does, and then go from there. And of course, Jason Dillard, Hogs Performance, in Easley, South Carolina. Dude, listen to that idle, dude. He's got it galloping. It's exactly where I wanted it. It sounds so good. Bailey getting some shots. Yeah. Yeah, dude. So, we're gonna get it on the dyno and see what it makes.
Brakes for a minute.
Jimmy.
Uh-oh, Jimmy can be here.
You know what time it is.
So I got hood has to come up, or I got the parking brake on. It seems like it's staying right now.
I heard something over there, but when I turned around seeing a Miata, I was like, oh, he's talking about probably. He's got to be coming over here.
Yeah.
Same setup. I didn't do that actually there. I didn't know if I'd figure something out. Oh, he's just gonna take it out.
Yeah,
Damn, it's a race car.
Oh yeah. It's modular. Very modular. Thanks.
Hair, Barry.
Modular.
Hair. Yeah, let me get it.
Yeah, get more air.
Dude, Jesus Christ, that looks nasty.
That's in the right spot.
He could probably charge for giving out rides. Don't break it there.
I mean, that's all it's planned.
No, it's not. It's just to go fast without breaking it. That's
Oh no, yeah, hold on, let me put the key in.
What you going to?
1,000.
Keep on. Right there.
I thought it was heating up.
Dyno time.
Probably.
Dude, I want you to know these wheels are like sparkling like some fucking chewing gum commercial right now. Yeah.
And I was talking to my tuner, and he was saying maybe try fourth.
That's fine. That's fine. That's what I was doing.
He was saying don't get over like 150 or 160 wheel speed.
Right.
Top of fifth, I hit about 145, 150.
I would just do fourth gear.
Fourth gear.
Yeah.
My fourth gear is a 127 to 1.
Now what I can do is it's a 1.27.
Yeah, 1.27. Here,
Oh, fourth gear is overdrive.
no, underdrive. Or here, sorry.
That's the underdrive.
Here, I'll show you.
The only thing I got to do is I'll hand you my laptop. I want you to put it in fourth. I'm thinking the way to get it closest is get it in fourth, and we'll when you get to 2,000, click mine. I'll show you what to do. You'll just click it, and you're just matching the dyno's when your car's on 2,000 RPMs on your tack, you got that?
Yeah.
If you can do that, just click mine to 2,000, and
Okay.
out the tire side, everything's connected then.
Okay.
There's no, it makes it real simple.
Cool.
I don't think we should go to 5th, and we'll do that pull, and if that's like a crazy weird number,
Yeah.
then we may go to 5th and do it, and then you can do your. It won't be off. I'm trying to remember which way is the best way to ratio it. I think we'll just do everything.
So I know it's going to be a big difference between the spray and the NA pull, so I don't know how.
Well, one thing about it, if whatever standard we do and stick to, that's going to be it. But the horsepower number could be off. I don't know if it's going to read a little low or a little high.
Yeah.
When we go that way, it should read a little higher.
I gotcha.
But I'm wondering if to get it to read real close, if I'm supposed to put it. I can't remember if I should put it in 5th gear. No, 5th was over. No, 5th is 1-to-1.
Yeah.
So I don't know if we should 1-to-1 it and then do a 4th pull, or if we should just put it in 4th and ratio it. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know.
I don't know which way to go. But either way, it's going to give us a number to go from.
Yeah.
But if we do it in 4th and it's like something's weird, we'll just do it in 5th, and then that'll be the standard.
Okay.
And then we'll tune from there.
So I get 3 pulls.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to do a little something, that's fine. You going to get hot?
Can y'all go grab my leaf blower? Yeah, it's definitely going to get hot.
I don't know what I was thinking.
I got a leaf blower.
No, I do know what I was thinking. The last few times there hadn't been anybody, like you're a hot rodder, you're like me, like you built something, and most of the guys would just put their scat pack on or their
Yeah.
It wasn't you know what I mean? And it was just one pull when they were off, and I never even used the damn thing.
Oh, dude, I've been itching to get on this thing. I wanted to get on it last time, but it was a big line.
Oh, was you over there?
Yeah, the last Devil's Playground.
Nuts,
yeah, it was a hell of a line. So
let me. And I got one other issue. I didn't bring the fucking printer.
oh, we'll take a picture.
I'll
of it.
screenshot. I'll screenshot every time we do one. I'll screenshot.
Hell yeah. Oh, we're getting her on the dyno, boys. It is hot out here. Let's see what's our temperature at. It shouldn't be too high right now.
My GTX read a little lower than it normally does.
197.
The car's a little crooked. You want to pull the nose of it this way crooked.
Yeah, when he fires up and rolls the tires, it'll straighten up.
Alright.
Just don't get the straps real tight. Just roll the tires.
Yeah, just roll it.
You can shut it down. It's good. That's where it's going to go.
Leaf blower! Woo! Bailey to the rescue. I got the battery in the back.
Tell me the name of it.
Miata, M-I-A-T-A, space, Khalifa, K-H-A.
Wait a minute. K-H-A.
L-I-F-A. It's like Mia Khalifa with extra T and A.
When you push record, it's not automatically recording. You just watch your tag standard 2000. When you get it, as soon as it hits 2000, you start recording until whatever RPM you let on. Record the whole thing. Then when you're done with the clue, just take your foot off the gas and just wait. Put it neutral. Whatever you want to do is going to be still. After a second, these will kick on and they'll just shut it down. Right now, let's get it.
Alright, so I make my pull and just let off the gas and put it in neutral.
Yep, just chill. The dynos, don't hit your brakes. It'll never.
Shoot it, it's gonna get real hot. I'm gonna have to let it just idle for a while.
That's a good base pull. If you want to shoot it and run it to the rev limiter, you'll probably ship. You know, it'd be a real good difference on you. Did you screenshot that
I
base?
took a picture.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to watch this tack because I can't go past 6,400. The nitrous will cut off. I can't bang rev limiter on the nitrous. Yeah.
Let's go to 6.
We're at 195. I say let's try one more. So is it gonna read the same since we're in 4th gear?
I guess that's the other issue. We could try just ratioing it in 4th right quick. Get this reading with your 4th gear and try that.
I guess let's try that. Unless you're comfortable with spinning up in 5th, I don't know.
Well, it looks like
My tuner was kind of saying try 4th gear. He was leaning towards more.
no, leave it in 4th for the pulls for sure.
Yeah.
I just didn't know if I should ratio to it in 4th or in 5th gear.
Okay.
That my dyno, I don't know if my dyno needs to be. But what I just found out is with it reading your 5th gear, you were at 5,500.
Yeah.
But this is counting a different RPM.
Right.
You're in a different gear.
Yeah.
Pull the numbers down that way. Because with this ratio, we're not in 1 to 1 to 1. I'm not getting you a true horsepower number. We're probably closer on horsepower on the first one.
Really?
Yeah. But I'm not getting, I mean, it's just, that's the best we're going to be able to do. Unless you want to do your pulls in 5th gear. So we can go back to 5th and for the ratios because that's bringing your horsepower numbers up. And then if you want to, and then yeah, it just brings the numbers down. But it's just because we're not. I'm not.
So is it harder on the engine on the dyno?
in 5th?
Yeah.
I would just do 4th because you just saw how long you pulled. If you were in 5th, you would have pulled 4 more seconds, man. I just don't do that when I'm tuning and fucking with them.
I got you.
I just do it in 4th.
We'll stay in 4th.
I would.
What was the number on that?
If you want me to,
calibrated 2/5.
yeah, if I calibrated in 5th, you're
Okay.
getting a little bit of a higher number,
Okay,
which is probably a lot more. You're probably not off 30 horsepower that way.
I got you.
It's probably 30 horsepower. Actually, it should be reading this a little higher, actually, believe it or not.
I didn't run it up. I'm getting scared. I don't want to. I gotta figure out when it feels like it's coming up really soon.
Goddamn it did.
What it make?
664.
No.
I fucking told you.
No. 493 on horsepower.
Oh, okay.
I was
664 on torque, though. And you came out of it.
Yeah, I only went.
Well,
to like,
I don't know about. I
went
can't
to-
tell by these RPMs.
I went to 5,000 on here. So
That's pretty damn-
I got almost another 1,500.
That's pretty damn accurate, I'd say.
Yeah. So how much? So I kind of fucked that up. I got scared.
or something.
Probably a little more
You went to
just like
5, but
2 pulls.
here's the. Don't worry about it. Here's the issue. Hey, go ahead and blow him down up there and pull him off real quick.
Yeah.
looked like water, but yeah.
Oh yeah, I could just fall.
Yeah, it's just good. It's so much, it's so cold.
Well, it came out of like this area.
It's probably just coming off the outside. Or did it actually flow out?
It was a little stream.
Huh?
It was a little stream.
It was shooting up?
But it was like a trickle of water.
It's probably just condensation maybe, I don't know.
Alright, we're ready, buddy.
About to make another pull on spray with another one more degree.
Then we'll read this. But now you're actually reading this one over left.
No, it's like its third. It sprayed a lot out of the connector, yeah.
I have to watch the video of that.
What did 504 last time?
I don't
It's
remember.
509 now.
509, I'm gonna go back to
It actually went down a little bit, I think, on torque, but I think we got it out there.
Jason Dillon liked it.
Yeah, he's got it. It sounds like he's got it. It may have picked up 5 volts, so you're right in that.
I only wound it to 6 grand.
Right. That's all you want to do, though.
Yeah.
And you want to do it, see how fast it does it in 4th gear. If you do that in 5th, it just beats on it that much more, man. And I know you want to do multiple pulls, so that's all I'm like, I was just doing the pull.
Oh yeah.
There you go, man.
That's what's
Cool.
up.
That's all.
Yeah, there's our numbers right there. Oh, here we go right here. That's
Oh, it won't focus enough to see it.
that says 616. It's reading like 700 right there.
Hell yeah.
It's only reading 509 horsepower on here, but it's not going to be perfectly right. So this run was 509, 620 horse, 622 torque. The last one was like 505 horse and like 688 torque. So
Put it back a degree.
yeah, but I'm only spinning it up to 6 grand.
I want to know,
And-
like, if you actually maxed out.
Yeah, I know. Well, so I can't hit rev limiter on the nitrous, but my rev limiter is a 6650. The nitrous cuts off at 64, but still I get worried about, I don't want to push it too far and blow it up.
Right.
But that's cool. At least I got a good number to go off of. That's a lot of torque.
200, you make just under 5 somewhere?
Yeah.
Roughly.
Yeah, but I let off at 6,000.
What do you go to, like 8?
No, nitrous cuts off at 64.
So probably like 520-ish, maybe?
Something like that. Huh?
What do you want?
200. But at the same time, these numbers aren't going to be perfect because we ratioed it in 5th and I did pulls in 4th. So it's just a ballpark idea.
Well, you say it's kind of 575.
I'm going to keep saying that. It's still 575.
Go back, take it easy. I'm going to make sure you don't catch those numbers.